what you're actually delivering in terms of service. It's not aspirational, and it's reflection. So they look at who you're treating, how you're treating them, what are all of the resources that are being poured into those programs, and specifically to orthopedics. The fact that we, again, from specialty clinics to acute care, the fact that you've got intensivists available around the clock, we've got on-site radiology, basically everything that a child could need in that circumstance, we've got. So we were second only to Gillette. And the most important thing about that is it will help us when it comes to talking to pediatricians and other doctors, where we were saying, you're not sending your child to a charity hospital, you're sending your child to a pediatric specialty hospital. And when families can make decisions based on what they think is the best, these are the sorts of awards that help remind people that what we are is actually the best. And again, it's a reflection of all that you've done for us. So thank you. And finally, not least, we do have a new hospital administrator. He started in November, so I'm looking forward, and I know he's looking forward to being able to speak to you all as well. His name is Kenny Pollock. He joins us from USC River Hills, which is a freestanding, independent, community-based hospital that's part of the USC PEC system. So he's familiar with the full range of healthcare. Most importantly, he's familiar with California, but also that he understands what it means to be in service. And he's really looking forward to getting to know everybody. And we're really excited about him being a part of this new era for the Northern California Hospital. And then the very last thing I will say, going back to 19th Avenue, this is our 100th year of serving children in Northern California. So, we opened in 1923 on 19th Avenue, and orthopedics moved to Sacramento, but the caring did not stop. So congratulations to all of you for 100 years. Thank you.